problem. So I just came across this problem and I was able to rectify it, and I think I should share it with my lovely people on this channel, since we are all about website development. um, this new year we're going to look at how to solve this problem. So once you have a website and you have a hosting account that you have bought for that website, and you wake up one day and see this annoying message, account suspended, what happens? There are one of two solutions to this. The first one is that the hosting service you have bought, is the duration is up, and that's why your account has been suspended. The other reason which I'm going to talk about is because you have stolen or used some content from a different website that they have laid a claim for. And what most people don't know is that when building websites, there's something online we call DMCA, that is digital media content something something. Well, I don't know the full meaning, so we can just check that from here, DMCA, and do a search online to find what it is. But with this particular website, the problem I found was that this person was picking information from this particular website called healthyline.com, and the healthyline.com happened to have this digital media content agreement that they have on their website. So they laid a claim to the hosting provider that in turn also suspended the account. So the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, that is actually the full meaning of the DMCA, Digital Millennium Copyright Act. So these are all the information you need to get for it. So let's go back to the Healthy Line website and see exactly what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. They have the Digital Millennium Content Act, Copyright Act, that they have on their website here, and so they simply laid a complaint to the hosting provider for this website, and they intend suspended the account. These are legal terms that I don't know much about, so I wouldn't want to go right into it. But what I would advise is that when you are building websites and you are dealing with online content, be careful how you copy your content, because you might have this annoying message. And so once that is done, you can write to your hosting providers that you are willing to take down any content that has been linked to that Digital Millennium Act. And once you take down the content, everything else will be restored for you. And so that is exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to write to my hosting providers that I'm going to take out the content that has to do with this Digital Millennium Copyright Act on this website, and my website should be back to normal. So I would advise that you stay away from copying content online to avoid this. If it's your on the other hand, if it's your account that has been suspended for the expiry of the period that you bought the domain or the hosting for, you simply go to your hosting provider or your domain provider and then pay what you owe to keep your account, or to prevent your account from being continually suspended. Well, that'll be all for now. So kindly leave your comments, subscribe, and like and share this video. Thank you.